Hi, Don Meyer here, Mills GM, Baxter, Minnesota, going over the new 2025 GMC Terrain Elevation Series. Redesigned body lines, LED headlights, LED markers. Notice remote start. See your animated blinkers. Aluminum rims. This one here has the two-tone, black lower, silver upper. Really sharp looking vehicle. You do have your remoteless entrance as well, where you can hit the button, open the door. Coming around, we've got your capless fuel fill. Rear parking sensors on this. This one does have a power lift gate. It has the blacked out elevation decals. Just like every Terrain, you have a very large storage area underneath, spare tires underneath that area as well. We can put a towing hitch on this as well. Again, power lift, power lower. Let's go ahead and jump in the car and see the interior features. Now here in the interior, this is the 2025 redesigned GMC Terrain dash. You'll notice we have a very large instrument cluster in front of the steering wheel, heated steering wheel, of course. I remote started it, so it's got my seat warming up for me. The steering wheel is nice and warm as well. But the main focus will be right here on the new center screen in the new Terrain. We have what I like to call the kind of hot buttons down here, allow you to quickly adjust the temperature, fan control. You can adjust your heated seats, synchronize your controls as well. Plus the one knob in the middle is your quick volume adjust knob. But now everything moves up to the big GMC screen now that we have in the Terrain. You'll notice the backup camera is considerably larger. If I put it in reverse here, you'll see you have your grid lines, but compared to previous models, the backup camera's bigger, the screen's bigger. You do have the new GMC shifter. Carefully pull it back towards yourself, rock it down for drive, rock it up for reverse, and then park is right here in the end, puts us back into park. This will give us everything that you get in the GMC Yukons, GMC Acadias. The screen, you can go through all the touch points for tires. You can see your maintenance intervals. You can see everything right on the large screen that you might want to see as far as brake pads, oil life, tire pressure, air filter. Everything is right here in the large screen. So you can see the vehicle's warming up nicely. This one is available. If you notice too, it also has the what I like to call the glass roof. We have the powered sunroof in the front half, glass moonroof in the back half. You have your sunglass holder here as well, and it does also have wireless phone charging. Once you sync your phone, you're either wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then you just set your phone right here and it will charge it wirelessly, and it'll pop up on the screen, of course, that it's charging wirelessly. Let's take it for a drive. Hi, Don back here. Gonna go for a drive in this 25 GMC Terrain. Didn't point it out earlier, but we do have a mode selector button over here by your left knee on the dash. This allows us to switch between drive modes, off-road mode, normal mode, and then the snow and ice mode. A couple of these modes will automatically turn on the all-wheel drive unit. So you'll basically, it'll automatically put it into all-wheel drive when you go into off-road mode or into snow and ice mode. Otherwise, there is a standalone button for the all-wheel drive as well. This does run the 1.5 turbo, so acceleration is very excellent in this vehicle. The new dash will give you customizable layouts depending upon what you want to see up there. You've got your tachometer, speedometer in the middle. If you notice a little green car at the bottom, that's telling me that there's a car ahead of me and I'm a safe following distance. That car will change color depending upon what it sees. Similar to what the Acadia got last year, I can now change what I see on my center screen. I can put my maps up there. Speedometer drops into the bottom corner. or I can have my maps over on the big screen depending upon what I want to see. I can also show my following distance. Right now, my gap adjust for cruise control or collision avoidance, I'm at 1.5 seconds behind the vehicle ahead of me right here. Still giving me the green car, so the car is saying that that's a safe following distance. And another quick push of the button will take us back to the speedometer page. Again, similar controls to what the Acadia got for 2024. Windshield wipers, washers are all on. Your blinker column over here on the left. You do have the ability for paddle shifters on this. If I put it in drive, I hit the low button right here on the steering wheel. I can go through and shift this thing manually with the 2 paddles. I do also have my quick buttons for changing volume or station or track, depending upon what it is, either right trigger or left trigger. Go ahead and make a quick U-turn here and head back to the dealership. Yeah, Don, back here from the test drive on the 2025 GMC Terrain Elevation Series. Again, this comes with the Mills-made lifetime powertrain warranty. MSRP is $39,530 on this car. Come check it out, Mills GM. We have several other vehicles available, plus a large selection of Buick light-duty, heavy-duty trucks. Come see us here. Thanks.